All right, guys, here's a new product that I want to introduce to you guys. It's the GUNIHUB. This is basically a rotating universal hub system that we've invented at the GUNIWHEEL. It's basically a hub that allows you to move a car around if you've got the brakes that have blocked up or locked up, or your car is stuck in gear. Even nowadays with the electric cars, you know, when the electric vehicle shuts down, the brakes actually lock up and you cannot get that vehicle to move, or you can't get onto the back of a tow bed, or you can't get around the shop. So we've designed a universal GUNIHUB, and basically it's a pretty easy installation. You know, it's straight on. As you can see, it's universal. We've created a little cutout section so that you can get to the studs, or you know, if you need to get the bolts in, it's an easy fit. You basically just move it around until you find the next stud. You put the next bolt on. You continue doing that until you get all 5 on. And just with that, you can see it actually allows you to bring the socket in and actually tighten the bolt. So you basically just move it around like that. Easy, pretty easy installation. Then you grab yourself a GUNIWHEEL and you mount it to the hub. You use the provided Guni nuts that comes with the GUNIHUB. And now with the GUNIWHEEL installed, you can see you have a freewheeling vehicle. This will allow you to move the car, you know, wherever you need to move it, and you know, get the job done.